Is your roof leaking? Wondering what your options are? Repair it, replace it, or possibly restore it? Due to the high cost of a roof replacement, repairs are usually the first step. When repairs no longer work, you still have options. First, you need to have a roofing expert survey your roof. And we have some good news for you. A lot of experience has shown that a leaky roof rarely needs more than a 15% total replacement. The even better news is that in many cases, when a roof is leaking, it can be restored to better than original performance. Perhaps best of all, we can restore your roof with no costly and disruptive tear-off and no big landfill fees. A roof restoration will save you thousands of dollars versus doing a total roof replacement. For close to 30 years, the ASTEC Re-Ply fluid-applied roofing system has been solving roof problems around the world. How does it work? The ASTEC system is a multi-layered process that includes repairing the troubled areas that may need replacing, waterproofing every seam, fastener, and penetration, and applying a seamless membrane that results in a sustainable waterproof roof. Each Re-Ply system is applied by an ASTEC authorized contractor and warrantied for material and labor for 10 to 15 years by the manufacturer, assuring your ASTEC watertight roof is worry-free. Hundreds of millions of square feet of once leaky roofs are now seamless and weather-tight. Building owners and managers have saved hundreds of millions of dollars by saving their roof and avoiding needless roof replacements, and many have also dramatically reduced their air conditioning bill because an ASTEC Re-Ply roof is cooler. Are you ready to take the first step towards big savings? Contact us for a free roof survey that will pinpoint your problems and determine if an ASTEC Re-Ply system can restore your roof.